Hi friends, good evening everybody. Today discuss the problem. We have to discuss the problem financial accounting 2 and first unit bills of exchange. So first problem, what is the first problem? See to here on the description the first problem. First one, on 1st January 2014, Anil sold goods to Naresh for rupees 18,000. In the problem, first point, what is the here on 1st January 2014, Anil sold goods to Naresh for 8,000. So who is the driver, who is the dravee? Here Anil is the driver and Naresh is the dravee, right? Why? Because Anil sold to the Anil sold to the Naresh. What is the sold to the Naresh? Goods, some goods. So Anil driver. So driver in the books of Anil, and uh, what is the meaning of the in the books of driver? So what is the general in the following the first problem? First of all, 2014 January 1st, come to the what is the sold. So when did they prepare to the how did they prepare to the first general entry? Driver in the books. What is the general entry? What is the sentence in the problem? First sentence, on 1st January 2014, Anil sold goods to Naresh for 8,000 rupees. So is here come to the goods Naresh. So who is person sell the goods? Anil. So come to the goods Naresh. So Naresh account is the debit. So please see to here Naresh account delta to sales account. So why? Because is the following entry Naresh account delta to sales account. Naresh is coming the goods. So okay. So is the benefit the something goods. So is what is the what comes in debit, what goes out credit, that is the commerce definition in the general entry. So come to the Naresh. What is the come to Naresh? Goods. So Naresh is the debit. Naresh account delta to sales account. So when did how did it come to the sales is the goods is the sales. So to sales account, Naresh account delta to sales accounts. How much amount? 8,000 rupees. How much amount? 8,000 rupees. So what is the narration? So write down the this narration. Why? Because write down this narration. Being the goods sold Anil to Naresh. Being the goods sold Anil to Naresh. Otherwise this is a first point in the problem. And otherwise second problem, see to here. So on the description, so Naresh paid 20% cash immediately. Naresh paid 20% cash immediately after deducting cash discount of 2%. What about here? Naresh paid 20% cash immediately after deducting cash discount of 2%. So what is the amount sale to the goods? So totally 8,000 rupees. So 8,000 rupees, what is the percentage here on the problem? So 20%. So immediately cash paid is the 20%. So this calculation 8,000 multiplies 20 by 100. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So otherwise 800 is the multiply is the 2. So 800 2 is the 1600 rupees on here. Otherwise after and after pay 2%. So how much 20% is come to the money? 1600 money is the will be come to the here. So after deducting 2%. So what is the 2%? So calculation here. So 1600 1600, so multiply is the 2 percentage, so division by 100, so two zeros cancels, in this here value is 16 multiply is the 2, so how much come to is the 32. So after deducting the 1600 deduct 32, so discount, what is the 2% is the discount, so deducting the 1600 less than is the 32, 1568 rupees, this is the cash paid to the immediately, the cash is paid to the immediately 1568 and 1568 rupees, so immediately, so is come to the driver Anil. So whenever come to this the Naresh account is come to the Anil accounts ki is come to the cash immediately, so 1568 rupees, otherwise discount 2 percentage, so on the discount 2 percentage calculation is the come to here 32 rupees, so after that, so less than the 1600 total value, so 20 percentage will be calculated to the value 1600, otherwise less than the 32 rupees, and after deducting the 2 percentage less than the 32 rupees is come to will be come to the 1568 rupees, that is the immediately paid after discount 32 rupees. After bills receivable account, so after bills receivable accounts, so how much value, what is the this here, so 1568 rupees plus 32 rupees, total 1600 rupees, okay, total 1600 rupees, otherwise 1600 rupees, otherwise so total value 8000 rupees, so remaining balance how much value, so 6400 rupees, his balance is the bills receivable is on the debits, so 6400 rupees, otherwise to Naresh accounts, so total rupees 8000 rupees, 1568 rupees plus 32 rupees plus and 6400 rupees plus total 8000 rupees to the Naresh account, being the driver of the bill discounted, otherwise, so next point on the problematic on the description, so what is the next point, for the balance Anil draw a bill payable after 3 months, first of all 1 month, second month, after last 3 months, so on the due date the bill is honored, on the due date the bill is honored, so when did they prepare the how did they prepare the journal entry on the honored, when bill is honored, so that is the from pharma in journal entry, what is the journal entry, cash accounts delta to bills receivable account, so in here write out the third journal entry and the third month journal entry, what is the write down the cash account delta to bills receivable account, that is the remaining balance after the discount balance and immediately cash paid balance are both are the less than the remaining balance are the 6400, so this is the bills receivable amount, on the due date of honored, so these prepare to the journal entry, cash account delta to bills receivable account 6400. After this is the 3 entries in the books of driver. Who is the driver? Anil is the driver. Who is the dravi? Naresh is the dravi. So next one, the prepare to the journal entries in the books of Naresh. So how did you prepare to the journal entries in the books of Naresh? So he is a dravi. Who Naresh is the dravi. So how to prepare to the journal entries in here? First of all, journal entry 2014 January 1st. What is the problem? Please see to here description on the problem. 1st January 2014, Anil sold goods to Naresh. So Anil, who is the Anil? Driver Anil. So he is the selling. Anil is the selling. So Naresh is the goods purchasing. Naresh is the goods purchasing. Anil is the sold of the goods. So Naresh. So when did how did write is the um, where, where did the write of the journal entries? On the books of Dravi. In the books of Dravi. Who is the Dravi? Naresh. Naresh is the Dravi. So in the Naresh is purchasing the goods. So goods are he is received. So purchasing. So come to the Naresh. So come to Naresh is benefit to the Naresh. So benefit to the Naresh. So general entries what comes in debit, what goes out to credit. So that is the manaku, that is the general entry equations. So what comes in, so అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు purchases అంటే, so what is the something goods is purchases. So is goods are coming. So write out the debit side. So purchase account delta to Anil account. So um, where did the come to goods? So here come to the goods Anil. So he is the here he is Anil. So Anil is the credit. So purchases what is the purchases? Goods is the purchases. Who is the purchasing? Naresh. Who is the purchasing? Naresh. Naresh is the purchasing the goods. So in the prepare to the purchases account delta to Anil account 8,000 rupees, 8,000 rupees. So write of the narration being goods purchased Naresh from Anil. So this is the write of the in the books of Naresh on the first point in the problem. Otherwise next point. So please see to your description on the problem. So what is the next point? So Naresh paid 20% cash immediately after deducting cash discount of 2%. So some of the journal entries anyone but not the particularly prepare the second journal entry. Why? Because discount discount is given here. So but not the prepare the journal entry. Why? Because anyway something. So particularly our knowledge is here preparing the journal entry. So here what is the write of the journal entry? Anil account delta to cash account to discount account to bills payable account. Write of the amounts is the debit side 8,000 rupees and the cash 1,568 rupees. The discount rupees 32 rupees. Bills payable account is 6,400 rupees. That is the narration will be given here. So please see to here being the driver of the bills discounted. So being the driver of the bills discounted. This is the second entry. Anyway, so this is the particularly rate of the second entry, but not the particularly rate of the second entry. Why? Because discount is on the problem are mentioned. So this is the but not the particularly rate of the on the Dravi in the books of the Dravi. So why? Because anyway something anyway something don't figure the doubts is the I prepared the second entry. So otherwise we are right as so but not the right. You are correct answer. Okay, next third entry. What is the third entry? So what in the problem third point? So for the balance Anil draw a bill payable after 3 months. On the due date the bill is honored. The bill is honored. So due date the bill is honored. How did they prepare the journal entry? Bills payable account delta to cash account. Bills payable account delta to cash account. So remaining balance 6,400. Why? Because 6,400 because how did come to the 6,400 rupees? 6,400 rupees. So here see to here totally balance totally goods sold balance 8,000 rupees. On this immediately cash paying the 1,568 rupees and discount 32 rupees, and this is the total balance 1,600. So remaining balance 6,400. That is the this on a due date is the bills payable. This is the first problem on the financial accounting 2, first unit bills of exchange, first long problem, the Pankaj publication, RP Trivedi writer, page number A19. So on the otherwise I will give to description on the problems. Please take you here everybody. Okay, thank you so much.